rafter that's broke. So we need to replace at least one rafter. That one's cracked, so we need to put a patch alongside that one as well. We can see this is particle board. Looks like 1/2 inch particle board, actually. As far as the outside goes, alright, here's the cornice work that needs to be done. Not much, realistically. I'd say a little piece of the underneath of the soffit and a little trim work. That board there is still actually good, so that's not bad at all. Looking at maybe an 8-foot piece of 1x6 or something there. Alright, here's the roof. This is probably 25 by 25. And I'd say we just rip it all off, put new particle board on the whole thing, and then reshingle it. Tar paper and shingle.